Sales tracking using the filter function and charts. Create a table with the following columns: product, region, sales. To track sales by product or region, we can use the filter function. In a new sheet or a new section of the same sheet, enter the following formula in cell A1 equals filter A, C, A equals A2. This formula will filter the data in columns A to C of sheet 1 based on the value in cell A2, which we will use as the criteria to filter by product. To track sales by region, enter the following formula in cell B1 equals filter A, C, B equals B2. This formula will filter the data based on the value in cell B2, which we will use as the criteria to filter by region. Enter a region name in cell B2. The formula will filter the data and display all rows where the region name matches the value in cell B2. To visualize the sales data, we can create a chart. Select the filtered data in columns A to C, then go to the Insert menu and select Chart. Choose a chart type that best represents the data, such as a bar chart or pie chart. Customize the chart as desired, such as adding a chart title or changing the colors.